First.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I would like to manifest again my strong support on any measure that would ensure security and protection of our judiciary. However, with the permission of our good sponsor, Senator Richard Gordon, consistent with the points I have raised during the period of interpellations, I would like to introduce some amendments on the bill. For the record, I have submitted these amendments in advance to the good sponsor for his consideration, but was not included to those approved by the body last September 22. Mr. President, Section 2 on Declaration of Policy of the bill states that it is the policy of the state to ensure the independence of the executive, legislative, and judicial departments of the government to promote efficiency and enable them to perform their respective constitutional mandates. Towards this end, an independent and organized security force under the control and supervision of the judiciary is necessary to secure the performance of its constitutionally mandated duty to administer justice according to the Constitution and laws of the land. Clearly, based on the declared policy of the bill, the main intention of the measure is for the security of the judiciary. However, upon careful review of the entire bill, especially Section 5 on jurisdiction, the main purpose of the bill became undertaking investigation of crimes involving members and personnel of the judiciary. Section 5 states jurisdiction. The judiciary marshal shall have primary jurisdiction to undertake investigations of crimes and other offenses committed against justices, judges, court officials, and personnel, halls of justices, courthouses, and other court properties. Meanwhile, under Section 4, at least 6 listed functions, powers, and responsibilities of the judiciary marshals concerns about investigation. As such, Mr. President, to return to the true and original intent of the bill of securing the judiciary, I would like to propose the following. Number 1, Mr. President, on Section 5, on page 5, lines 22 to 23, and on page 6, lines 1 and 2, delete the entire Section 5 and renumber the succeeding sections accordingly. I so move, Mr. President.
What does the sponsor say?
I'm sorry with all.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.